If you go through the folder, you'll see that one of the things in the folder is an informational sheet. The reason we give an informational sheet is because a lot of times we could print out for you all this information, but you would get it and you would call those numbers and they would be disconnected or wrong number, or hey, we used to have a home phone, now my mom just has a cell phone, so you can't get in touch with me. We call people regularly here, and almost every week we'll get a lot of people whose numbers don't go there. So this is the best way to ensure that you get the most up-to-date info. Middle school kids change emails and add Facebooks and different things. They got a cell phone, they had a cell phone, it was a prepaid phone, and they text messaged so much in one day, it's now gone. So there's a lot of different things that happen, when the new person gets popular and stuff, now they don't like this guy anymore, so it's not this guy's a hottie, it's this guy's a hottie at yahoo.com and stuff. So it happens. So it's the most way to get the most up-to-date info for your students. So in the first week, we just ask that you'll do that. One of the things that you'll also see in there is a small group schedule. That's pretty much the best thing that we can do for you at this point. Some of the small groups will be, they may have a couple different days here and there, but we were told basically by the church when we're going to meet, and just because they tell us doesn't mean they won't change it. So don't yell at us if they change it. But when the church has 6-week series, big series that everybody's in, that's when we're going to have small groups. So we're going to have small groups between 36 and 40 weeks out of the year. We'll be sure to keep you up to date. That's when you will have small groups, August 23rd through the week of August 23rd, not the day of August 23rd. So August 23rd, that's a Sunday. If the Sunday small groups will start then, the Wednesday small groups will go there, the Saturday small groups will go all the way until the next week. So it's that week. That week is the week you'll have it. So we didn't meet this week, but August 23rd, the week of August 23rd, we will meet on that Wednesday, that Friday, that Saturday. And then they'll kick back off again January the 10th. We are kicking off every small group except Sunday with a group meeting here. We're going to have our long ice cream rain gutters and stuff. We're going to have a rain gutter ice cream Sunday party. It's pretty fun. What? Okay, it's like a 50-foot banana split. We put some rain gutters and we put banana splits in there, and kids love it. And they get a lot of food. It's a big way to kick it off and get kids to come and stuff. We don't do that on Sunday because we just tell them Harold's there and there's free pizza, and they come. Let me go through real quick, and we'll hit it. They scoop it out into the bowl. It's just like if you went to the place and served. It's like, yeah. So no, we don't go like this. We don't encourage that. Some kids might. They're middle school, but we encourage that you get your styrofoam bowl, you put whatever you want in there, and then you can doctor it up a little bit if you like. One of the things that we are going to pass out for you today is, I'm going to go really fast when we get this done, is that we are going to pass out attendance from last year, your roster from who was in your group. You may want to call some, get in touch with some, and let them know that the group is starting back up. Reach Beyonds, 1 per quarter, which means every 3 months we should do a Reach Beyond. If you need help with that, we will be more than happy to help you. We help schedule a lot of those. One of the things that we will have ready for the first week is we will have the permission sheets for the Reach Beyonds. Here's how this is going to work this year. It's going to be a little bit easier because we are having one notarized form, emergency medical form, for anything you do with student ministry. So if you go on a winter retreat, the same one is good. It's the same form for all 2009-2010 school year, and it's going to be the same for the missions camp. So if a student gets that done, we know it really is hard to get them all in, but we're going to try our best to do that. But legality, we have to do that. If we do a Reach Beyond that meets here and then leaves together as a group. If you say, hey, we're going to do Reach Beyond on Saturday or Friday or Monday or Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon. That does not need those forms, so you can do that any way you want. There's also Reach Beyonds that you can do from here. If you didn't know, Friday is our ministry rally. Hopefully you guys can come. There's going to be some really good sessions. There's a really good teacher. His name's Jeff Borton. I was going to say Todd Briner. His name's Jeff Borton. Okay, let me go real quick. Is there any questions that anybody has about what's going on for this year? I'll be hanging around forever if you guys want to have any questions.